For Margaret Morales' Lost at Sea, special treatment would start version 1 with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. For version 2, we add pink quartz that are sprinkled on the purple parts of the painting. So simply look for the purple areas, which are mostly portions of the fishes as well as her hair. So we sprinkle pink quartz in these areas. Finally, for version 3, we add fire opal on the blue areas on the canvas. So we've got the electric diamonds in the background, we've got the pink quartz on the purple areas, and for version 3, we're adding fire opal on the blue areas.